So this is a mural commissioned by a client of a red rock desert scene. So here's my red rock, obviously, and the arch. This is based on an arch down near Bryce Canyon in Utah. He requested a skull because he's actually really fond of the skulls that Georgia O'Keeffe did of cows. So I put one of those in there, and then I'm actually going to add a little bit of greenery on the sides and then under this arch here. But what I'm doing right now is figuring out how to incorporate the door frame of the garage into the actual painting. So before I get sucked back into more details here, I wanted to kind of frame it with the colors that are already being used in the mural and then start popping in more of the detail in the actual piece. One of the things with murals I've realized is that you can do the work up close, obviously. You have to be able to reach the wall. Well, it has to read as what you want it to from a distance. And initially my thought was to go with just very ultra realistic colors and slowly add in all the details I need. But one of the things that this client liked was some of the line work that I had done, and so I'm going to incorporate some of that into the arch and background details of this so that it reads well far away, but also it's the same style of painting that he had liked from my website. So a lot of this is, I mean, the colors are the way I want them to be, but I would call this underpainting still. I'm going to put the details, like, so I had started popping some of the shapes out by adding a little bit more reflective light, like here where this is now pushed out more. Initially it was just a flat color. I'm going to do some of that in here as well, and then I will put some of the bushes and greenery in here and then start popping that out with some shadows and then reflected light on those as well. And then I'll decide where in the background to do that and still keep some of the kind of watercolor effect that's being done with acrylic paint, which is kind of its own challenge.
Well, it's looking good. Thanks for answering my questions.
No problem.